How are you doing? The name of this lens is Indian outfit. In this lens, I have a long lehenga and I also have some makeup with it. Also, I have a hand tracking and a VFX. By the way, this is Trisha's Belman, an 8-year-old living in Paris. Let me show you the making of this lens. So, in this lens, I followed 3 steps. The first step is I created the models in Blender. The second step is I created the textures using Photopea. And the third step is I created the AR using Lensathon. So, let's get started. So you can see this is my model and this is how it looks. Now let's extrude this. So here's where I'll be creating the AR. I've added all the resources. Now we have to start creating it over here. So let's do it. As we are done with these two, the makeup and the body, let's add a hand pick. You can see we are done with the VFX. So over here you can see I added VFX and touching. Now let me change the color of the box. So you can see we are done and it's coming good.